Hello, I'm Moony. Today, I'd like to introduce Isaka Dam Cycling Park. The circuit road of Isaka Reservoir as a dam lake has a total length of 3.6 km. It is used as a promenade and cycling road. First, let's run 3.6 km on the Isaka Dam course. I will do fast forward. Please don't get dizzy. This circuit road with different elevations is popular as walking and running course. Actually, this is my favorite running course. In addition to the course with ups and downs, there is a fun in each 4 seasons. Cherry blossoms in spring, cicada voices in summer, colored leaves in autumn, and snow in winter. This Isaka Dam was built in 1964 for the purpose of supplying industrial water to Yokkaichi City, supplying 180,000 cubic meters of water a day. Now, road became flat, and it is fun to run. Now, almost ended. You get a good job. The morning starts with radio exercises. In Japan, radio exercises are broadcast on NHK radio every morning at 6:30. This radio exercise has a history of 90 years since it was broadcast. When you come to Japan, you can see people doing gymnastics like this at 6:30 in most parks. You can rent a bicycle at this place. Rental bicycles are 2 hours, 500 yen for high school students and above, 300 yen for junior high school students and below. And 2-seaters is 500 yen per hour. But closed on Friday, please be careful. On weekends, it is crowded with families who enjoy cycling. Children aren't the only ones to enjoy the unusual bikes. This Isaka Dam is a practice place for the Kuwana Nishi High School Canoe Club. In September of this year, there is a national sports festival, commonly known as National Athletic Competition in Mie Prefecture. It's called the Kokutai, which is a sports festival that competes with each prefectures. At this lake dam, there is a canoe sprint race in this coming September. A lot of warbler are singing here at this Isaka Dam. This place is called Uguisudani Valley. The warbler male crows. When an enemy such as a crow appears, he warns the female in the nest. This is a warming sound you can hear. Next video, I will introduce Mr. Eiji Kumamoto. He is a ceramic artist of the Bangkok ware. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe it. Thank you.